recording artist Mr. Vegas has a catalog, man, of some of the most iconic songs in Jamaica's rich musical history. He is now our guest, recording artist Mr. Vegas. Vegas, wagwan!
Yeah, man, you killed me joke so early.
Bridget, you've been here so often. I don't know if I ever asked you where you get that name from.
Yeah, man, you asked me countless times, man. My cousin give me the name, because I try to play football, and they say, yo, me no good. Basically. So one club did on Red Hills Road near Las Vegas, so they say, yo, you play like a girl star, girl over Las Vegas club.
That was my first hear that story.
Cousin name Leaford. Leaford.
I said, yeah, I get joke. I first hear that story.
Leaford mash me style, man. Say, yo, come here, girl over Las Vegas, come over the field, man. Pass the ball.
And you were an artist then?
No, man, like a youth, man, I try to play ball, man, I have 2 left foot.
And you just keep the name?
No, stuck by
man, a rebel, man, a 2 man get named that day, you know. Me and a youth name, me and the next youth now play good to, and they call him Pink Shots. Tell the man touch him, the man say, Pink Shots! See, leave for them, my cousin here, Ryder. See, because I'm wicked baller, you know, money cup baller, you know, Ryder, you know. I'm Kirk Tyrrell, you know. You must know Kirk Tyrrell, man, from Meadowbrook.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, I used to play Trevor Lamb.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, my cousin, man, the biggest baller. I try him run a golf foreign, make it. Him them not play national. Yeah, man, the biggest baller. Louis McDonald from Tivoli Garden.
Now we know already.
Now we know every time we see him, why Mr. Vegas.
Yeah, but you said, no, it's all right, but them time they are war if you call me someone. I would know about the club. So go club.
You know that was Pele. You know that was Pele. Pele hated the name.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Him fight over it. Somebody called him and him broke out.
He hated the name.
He hated the name.
So, when I came into music now, Dan, you would put on the Mr. upon it. He must say, Vegas. I want something.
You should have put California.
Oh my God. Vegas, you're here with a new single this morning, Got Out. You know, sometimes people say, when they hear artists sing gospel, you know, people tend to get a little judgmental and, oh, you start singing gospel. Why are you doing gospel? You look popular the way you sing gospel. But that's not the case here. What inspired the song?
I just think so the business, the space, the feet, and a long time when I hear one of them type of song here, like I Am Blessed, or like, you know, black, you know, little hero, merciless, with no love, what I go on. Yeah. And God alone, God in my heart. Them songs, they always have a space, and a long time when I hear one of them. You know, so when we hear the rhythm, you know, it just give me that vibe there. And of course, you know, everybody did that same mad auto. So, you know, they kind of inspired by what Valiant forward with still.
Interestingly, I asked Mr. Vegas how long it take him to write. And your answer was?
Well, for this song is basically in the studio, just a whole vibe. I just wanted it to be like when Tiger them used to vibe.
So
you know, just some things where when you go stage
write
show.
Down anything?
No, this is like when you go stage show and you look the forward and you get the forward. So you just say some things that people can relate to. You say, set your cup, be a blessing, God, dash out.
So how you remember it?
It's just some songs when you record them and they're so catchy, you just like it. You know, you remember it.
Does that mean that maybe you put in something in it every time you do it?
Right, and I think if you make it a little bit repetitive, you know, like you find yourself singing that, and you know, hallelujah, me a God picking it. It's just regular things we admire, and everybody don't see already. Yeah.
But one of the things that you said that always have a vibe, you know, is when we sing about. Jamaican people like when you say, you know, I struggle, but me make it through, me get through, me make it there, and a lot of this is about your accomplishments too. What would you say, Vegas, is your biggest accomplishment to date as an artist?
Yo, I think just to be here still doing music and still touring, I just think that is the greatest, you know, part of it. You know, just to be, you know, on this touring circuit, you know, going to Europe every year or every other year, you know, it's just that. Yeah. Because I didn't expect I was still going to be around, even people talking about, you know, Vegas or Vegas songs. You know, 26 years after, 25 years after. That in itself is like a major accomplishment. Yeah. I remember I just wanted to find one hit song. You know, so I was like, yo, I just want to find one hit song, you know, because my mother used to walk and wash people's clothes and stuff like that. So I was like, if I find one hit song, you know, I can't stop her from work, you know. Wow. You know, she went to Corville one time and she went in to work for somebody. A man, and the man gave her some clothes to wash and, you know, some things that they clothes them. So she leave them and the man was like threatening her, saying, you know, do her something. I was like, you know, so this a JLR music. You know, so then Heads I came and,
wow.
You know.
Any regrets / disappointments?
In music? No,
with you.
No,
Yeah.
no. Because my regrets and my disappointments, I use them to continue working. You know, it's like an energy that keeps you going.
Yeah.
You know, so you have to take the negative with the positive. The disappointments is them really, like when people say you can't do it again. You know, and you just say, yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna do it.
Yeah. Have you ever done a song that you personally feel say, no man, this is one of my big songs that never end up being a big song?
Yeah, man. I'm a sing song when I think say I got be big song and the flop. Like chop out the grass, me say, yo, this I go around the place now, Ninja Kid and everybody. I say, the biggest song that, in the studio. Yo, if that not bust me, stop sing. Just flop.
You can remind him.
Yeah.
But you also have song when you do where you just said this not gonna wear and it had a big song.
Right, people didn't expect Edzai was gonna be a
But why that one flop in your opinion?
Me those things that people don't say foolishness, me don't know. They chop out the grass, but it's about dancing, chop out the grass, so the people never really understand. Say, it's a dance, I sing about, So we chop out the grass, chop out, and you say, yo, what that? Vegas.
Not chop no grass, a bushing
But
thing.
then I did a song for Troy McLean named Love Yourself.
Yeah.
And I thought it was going to be a big tune, but it's a reggae tune. I thought it was going to be, you got to love yourself, protect yourself, love yourself. You can't love me if you don't love yourself. I was like, yo, now I run the place. But it go on a little thing, me expect it to go on wicked.
When something like that happens, so you think it's a big song, as your word, you said flop, you kind of come back and tweak it and change up anything on it, or you just say, done with that.
No, man, you have to get to our next song. And sometimes I believe that the song is the biggest song in the world. Because everybody in the studio gas it up. Gas and light up on the song. And you say, yo, the biggest thing is you feel like you can't go put on your pot.
Yeah.
Boom, and you shoot all the video. You say, boom, J-Will. Video shoot, you shoot the most expensive video. Clean. You're cleaner than the song.
And nothing.
Hotter than the song. Yeah, man. So
Then nothing.
Nothing. Flap. You just have to go back to the drawing board and just cut the last there.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man.
There's been a lot of talk about dancehall now, Vegas, and people are saying, it's moved to a direction that nice again, and people. But you see some of the youngsters and them a lap it up. What's your take on where we are now with the music?
People have been saying that since Kia, Rocksteady, everything. People just, it's just different generation. I think the youth them nowadays, personally, I wish people were singing line for line to my songs and when I was like, hot then.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because people used to just sing the hooks on our songs. They're just a little part they know. Hey, Zion, and they were killing me, they know. But
And then everything else,
everybody just mumble. Yeah. They knew the melody. But now when you look at like a Valiant perform, the audience, I sing everything word for word. Me, I say, yo, all the man name pan tan 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 tan. I say, what you say? The kids them know it though, so them are enjoy when them are here. I find that too many old foot, we are try, go over another young lane there. When we have songs, we still, songs were still fresh and nice. When we hear, Shabba Rankin songs, them and Beanie Man songs, them songs they bring back a nice vibe to me still.
Big.
Dash them way. Some people want to dash with them whole song them.
Yes, so they were listening to some Professor Nuts.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Them songs they still have the energy where you want to feel.
Correct.
It's just that when we're done with music, we're just done with it and we look something new. We get spoiled.
Yeah.
Popularity-wise, what's your biggest song? I
think I Am Blessed, Gone Round Head's Eye. Because I Am Blessed is like an anthem where I think it's one of the songs where, that have me on the road. It has me on the road, constantly.
Yeah.
Every New Year's, every birthday, somebody want. Me do a little drop for them. You can sing I Am Blessed, my grandmother's birthday for me.
Yeah, man. So that's a song that across all demographic,
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Age group, everything.
Yeah.
One of the things that you said is the dancehall fans. I feel part of the problem is we're so blessed.
Yep.
Like every day we have a new artist and a new tune that we don't have time to go buy the song. But you're encouraging the fans to support the artists that way.
Yeah, big time, because I've noticed over the years, like, we don't take the time out to create accounts. I think we're spoiled in a way where we used to get like a pirate CD and little mixtape then. you know, cassette them or whatever. So I don't think we take time out to support, you know, the artists then. I think people will more sign up to a channel to get a little mix up, you know, than to sign up to a Spotify account to download the artist or to listen to the artist or to stream the artist. You know, so the numbers on the dancehall artists, you know, the numbers are not good.
Yeah.
Where is the money now? The touring, the stage show, the selling of the songs, where is the money?
No, we don't sell music to make money.
So where is the money?
We tour. You know, we used to make a lot of money off dub plates. That is, you know, that I think that gone extinct.
What do you mean by you don't sell music to make money? That's not the idea.
Because we don't sell enough music. We don't sell enough music to
Jamaica
make money.
people
And by the
buy.
time you have a song that start buzzing, and a label even come in and sign you, the amount of money that they're going to spend behind the project to push the song, when you see a royalty check, is going to be in the negative. You know, and we're not streaming enough. You know, and people keep comparing dancehall artists to Afro artists, which is unfair. Because Africa, whole continent, has streamed them music. You know, sometimes you can't even get YouTube access here in Jamaica. Some songs you go on YouTube, you can't find it. You know, here from Jamaica, and people watching the numbers and like, yo, you know, look a bit him streamer. The thing about me, I try to set up my, you know, thing where I you know, the catalog, you know, keeps rotating.
Yeah.
We have to go. You still have the drive for this.
Yeah, man, big time, more than ever. Worse now, you know, I try to keep fit and try to keep healthy.
All right.
Nice.
Yeah, I like the name Vegas, but you know, it's Clifford the name. We'll go with Mr. Clifford and just done it.
Mad, Carlton wanted to make the call myself Clifford on stage. I was like, you're mad. I called out a man past stage. We bring on stage Clifford.
Always a good time when he's in the house.
Mr. Vegas.
Yeah.
What go on next?
Up next, Nebs, Kebs, and I are going to take the Smile stage performing songs in Patois.
No, Delia will
Don't
do
go
that.
anywhere.
No, and Mr. Vegas,
It's
the
a
great Clifford.
musical
I work with.
battle you don't want to miss.
Mr. Clifford.
This is
work
gonna be
with
funny.
I.
It's gonna be funny.
Oh my God.
Clifford, I work with for me.
You know.